I be so sick of you niggas, y'all contradicting. I be so bold myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, except when you around me. Treat me like water while you wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about you.
Hi guys, how are you? I hope you guys are doing fantastic. It's actually in the morning. I think on the last vlog we left it at Isli. And guys, before we proceed, let me just do an intro. How are you guys? How are you doing? Yeah, if you're new here, karibu sana. If you're not new here, hi babes, how are you doing? I'm really happy to see you guys. And yeah, like, I don't know, I'm still, you know, sijamka kabisa. You know, it's in the morning. I'm just waking up. Actually, I just drawn the curtains, yeah, and just let Pichu out to go and play because she has a lot of energy. I don't know where anapata nguvu in this early in the morning. So yesterday, not like yesterday for you guys, but on the last vlog I left it, guys, where I think I went to Italy, yeah, and I was going for spice and nuts shopping, yeah. So I just wanted to show you what I got, and of course just plug you in the process, yeah. So guys, we will start with something that I didn't get from Italy, but it's something that I got and I'm not yet gotten to opening it. So yeah, so I got this purposely for my black tea, and also got hibiscus, so I'll be making hibiscus tea. This will really look good in here because of the fact that you can see inside it. Yeah, so this will be really good for any kind of tea. So another thing I got, this was still not from Nini, from Isli. This was actually from Coupon Zetu. So I got this beautiful cup, which it's really good when you want to like have like maybe take something small, let's say like a smoothie, a glass of juice, but this kind of mini, it's actually really big, yeah. So I love this. Actually, it's really nice because it can hold something baridi, ice and things like that. But for this, it's smaller, like it's smaller. It just goes well with a lot of small drinks that you might need to maybe carry with you or just package, yeah. So this one inafunguka hivi, so you can use this one to drink with, and it also has a little straw, yeah, so you can use this to drink. It's actually really cute, and it was going for I think 500 shillings, yeah. And Coupon Zetu, I'll definitely leave their link pale chini, but you can just go to their website deals.couponzetu.com. I actually have a 10% discount with them, so you can just I'll just attach the discount code here, so in case you need to buy anything. I'm sure I've done like a huge haul from Coupon Zetu, and guys, like, they have really cute stuff, so I definitely recommend you going. So just go to deals.couponzetu.com to be able to get their stuff. So yeah, as I said, this was at 500 bob, but it's actually really nice. It's good quality. I love the color of it. Now let's get on to the spices, yeah. So we're starting on strong with hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea. These are the actual hibiscus. Okay, so another thing is I got castle powder. This is actually castle powder. I'm not going to open that, guys. For the powder, I'm not going to show you because nikifungua tu hapa before I'm ready to put them in the jar, zitanisumbua. So I got castle powder. All of these things were going for 100 shillings. I'll definitely pin his number over here. So ako Isli, kuna kwanga Isli kuna kwanga na Yari Towers na Yari Plaza. So Yari Towers is the one that iko huko chini karibu na roundabout ile ya kwenda hivi ukienda na side ya BBS Mall, yeah. Then ukikuja hivi, so ni kama unarudi na Bangkok from kule chini, usually see banks. Kuna bank ya KCB, after sijui Absa kuna KCB if I'm not wrong. So kuna KCB, between KCB and Yari Plaza, not Yari Towers. Yari Towers iko huko chini. So kuna KCB na Yari plaza. So kuna yare marambili, there is a plaza and a tower. So we're speaking about the one, we're speaking about the tower at the plaza, sorry. So between KCB Bank and Yare Plaza, kuna kanjia kana kuanga tu hapo. So that kanjia, the first shop near your boys, nanauza vitu fiti. As I told you, everything, hibiscus tea, it's 100 shillings. This is Kazil powder, 100 shillings. No many more, but so I'll definitely do a routine with you guys morning. But your Kazil powder also 100 shillings. Everything here, which is 100 bob, 100 bob. This is paprika, also 100 shillings. No many spice more, but yeah. This is chicken masala, also 100 shillings. As I told you guys, 100 shillings goes a long way because this is a lot of spice. Getting it for 100 bob, yeah. So this is star, a nice. I think he gave me some things. So this looks like a star. I think for this one I'll have to Google it, but it smells so good. Like I'll have to Google it and enjoy the morning. Smells so good. Inakan kama kitu unaweza boil to just bring the fragrance to your house. Like I definitely try doing that, but I'll just Google to just see what else it does. And then yeah, so I just Google to see, yeah, and maybe put on some lemons when I'm boiling it. So but yeah, so this was also at 100 shillings. So it's called Star Anise. I just put the name here for you guys so that you can see, and I'll also Google and maybe just attach benefits if I'm able to get any for these things. I don't know what's the purpose of it, but it looks like me. Of course I had to get cloves. I've been like the different uses, especially on TikTok. The different uses of clove. So I'm not sure which one is just chicken spice and which one is chicken masala, because that's what I meant, like chicken. So I just know kuna chicken spice and there is chicken masala. I feel like masala usually it's just a blend of different different spices. So one is just chicken spice, and then the other one is like chicken masala. You pick a chicken, I can just use both. I wanted to get done with the brown peppers first, then I got biryani masala. I've never actually used this spice, but with the fact that I love biryani and I love making it, I'll definitely enjoy this one, I believe. So biryani masala, iliki guys. I think I think as a discount or something, because I don't know what it is. Okay, I've heard of it like so many times, but I'm not sure if near chai, but it looks like something pure like a chai. Please, if you know, just let me know. Iliki ni nini? This is how it looks. Yeah. Oh, and then I got fish masala. Of course I had to get fish masala. And I think that is it for the spices. Now let's get to the nuts. Yeah, so I'm not sure. I was thinking of making granola, but I feel like granola kuna kitu nisina. So I have honey, but kuna kitu ingine yonafaa kuadwa when making granola. So I'm not sure if I'll nini, but if I don't, I'll just do like a little mix nuts. I'll just mix these nuts in one jar and just snack on them like that. But if I was able to make granola, the better. So because of the thought of making granola, I had to get oats. I had to get oats. So is it oats? Yeah. So I'm not gonna say a lot because also the spices are not a lot. So I just wanted to try on making granola, and if I like it, then I'll get more. So oats. But if nikishindwa make granola, I'll just take the oats like that, or just make some pancakes, or just something with them. Yeah. Then in the thought of making granola, so I got a bit of nuts and just any other thing that I thought it would just be a good fit. So this is it. So this is it. So this is one of the stuff. So these are just nuts. Please, I'm not going to mention the name because we miss you to how lazy they should, honestly. I just know kuna yeah, kuna different types of nuts. Kuna hazelnuts, kuna nini, but sijui which one is which one, honestly. So another thing I got is ninja so too. Yeah, so I got this. This one has a mini. These are raisins. They're good toppings. After you've baked your granola, you just add them juu. So this one are not baked. So what you do is you add two, basically on your pan, if that makes sense. Oh, and then I had to try these things. These are like M&M, something like, okay, so it's straight to sweets too, like, so it's the same type, but now the first I easy necessarily, like, yeah, you know, the like the affordable version of them. So they're actually really sweet. So this is the point now that act kama just something to snack on. I'm not sure if I'm not going to make nuts. If I'm not going to make granola, I'm going to add this onto. If I'm not going to make granola, I'm going to add this onto the nut jar. But if I'm going to make granola, I'm just going to take this like that because I don't think it would be a good fit for, yeah. Then actually they're very good for kids if you're looking for many. If you're looking for what? If you're looking for sweets for me. I love it. Another thing I had to get was toppings. I think my toppings is Elisha. Yeah. The last time I was making donuts, I really needed toppings, but Sikuziona, so I had to get it. Yeah, so I'll make something with them very soon. And then some nuts, more nuts. This one actually really good. I hate to say them from the paper. Then this. Then these are pumpkin seeds, and they're really nice. Actually, even if the cooler does it. And then this. So I'm not sure if I'm good. Okay, if you make granola, of course I'll have to roast them. But kama sani granola, I'm not sure if I'm going to roast them. But yeah, this is it. More nuts. When into a nuts, I'm sure not using nuts gani. Yeah. And I think lastly, this one's more nuts. So yeah, so that's everything that I got. So I feel like easy vitu niki, if I'm able to make granola, I should be able to make a jar of it at a very affordable price, because we all know how expensive granola is. I feel like this is a hidden gem. And guys, actually, shop say hizi vitu peke yake inauza, like it has so many other herbs, like anything that, you know, even healthy snacks. So they sell healthy snacks, spices and herbs, and everything is organic, like from their honey to what, everything is organic. So when you're getting anything from there, unajua kuni legit. Hi guys, I just wanted to update you guys. This is how everything looks ikiwa imewekwa kwa jar. So these jars, this type and this type, pandamat, this is from town. I got it pale Du Bois Road. Okay, kama unapitanga hapo, you know the people that sell these jars. Then this is pandamat, Du Bois Road. These are the stars. Yeah. Then this is from, so this is hibiscus tea, and this jar is from Kupon Zetu. Yeah. So these three are from Kupon Zetu, pandamat, then from Du Bois. And yeah, just wanted to update you on that. So everything is now packaged nicely. I'm just going to put it in the drawers, and then we are good to go.
Put down forehead, my lover.
What are you doing?
Put down for bed, I love her. I draw melodies, one feminine. Put down forehead, my lover. I draw melodies, one feminine. Oh, 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 oh.
Hi guys, how are you? So we are at this beautiful spa, and guys, it looks really nice. So we want to change. Yeah, actually spa ikona shower. Like in Nairobi, people tend to avoid, like wanajua tu spa inafaa kuwa na shower, but they tend to avoid. But anyway, so yeah, so that's the situation over here. So we want to change, then we start on with the massage. I think I'm just going to show you clips here and here, because you know, siwezi kuonyesha the whole process. But yeah, so you should definitely visit. I'll pin the contact over here on the screen and the location of this place. As you've seen from the previous shots, it's actually really beautiful. So yeah, I just wanted to update you guys on that. I've already changed, so this is what I have. And then Danny, okay, I'm sure you cannot see me, I'm dark and it's a kuna giza, but anyway, so this, we have like disposable mini on the inside. Maybe let me just do a selfie. Disposable, yeah, thingies on the inside, so that when we are getting the massage done, tunatoa to with the robe. And yeah, so the spa is called Sparkle and Pop. Yeah, yes. So waiting for Yvonne to also change, and then we begin. This is actually a really beautiful spot. Yeah, I can't wait to like get the massage done. But let me just show you the room from the, you know, really cute. And then ikona, you know, the fact that it has a bathroom, like that change, like a shower, that is like I've really slept. So so this is the massage room. So now I need to go to, me and Yvonne, we need to go to the next room for our waxing, and that will be the end of this amazing spa treatment. Yeah, honestly, I've slept milala, lala. I don't know kama nakao singizi, but I have really slept. So Yvonne is in the shower right now, so I'm waiting for her. Then we go to the other end, and after that, yeah, that will just be it. And so far, so Oh my god. Yeah. Here is another bag. Unajua tu lazima kienda soko tupitie super and just pick a few things. So I wanted to do this nikipanganga hizi vitu. So I'm not sure how we're going to do it. So I think nifungue tu fridge. Then nifungue fridge then niweke tu because kuna vitu hapa they need a lot of. Okay, I need to blanch this. So nimepata mboga. So at least nimepata mboga nimekata. This time I don't have to kata. So mboga. So hizi ni kienyeji, sukuma kienyeji, spinach. So and then there is this. So hizi ni ndizi. I just got 3 because nataka tu za soup. Nothing fancy. So this is enough. These 3. Then from there, guys, nimenunua hizi. So hizi, I'm not going to blanch them. I'm going to make some like daika carrots, nini, sinaelewa? Nimesahau hiyo jina. Coleslaw, yes, carrots. Yes, coleslaw, yes, that's the name. Okay, avocado, 1 for today, imeiva. This other one, ooh, she lied. Val, she lied. I wish tungejishikia. Bana, she lied. Unfortunately. I know. But anyway, so kuna hii yenye iko inakapoa, hijaiva bado. So like see ati iko mbali, but yeah, it's not like gone. But this one, we're going to take it tonight. Yeah, and my friend Val is around, by the way. So yeah, come and say hi. So then kuna kitungu. Here she is. Hi. Anyway, so at least she moved. You remember the time that tukata tafuta nyumba? Yeah, so tukata tafuta nyumba yake, yeah. So at least now she's like karibu. So yeah, so that's why she's around. Then actually it's at night. It's around 8. Then this is what my kitungu. My goodness. Then over here ndani. So easy vitu, let me just panga them as I'll show you at this point. So over here I have leftover green and yellow pepper. So let me just take the other organizers. So red, yellow, red, green is more than one, another green, yeah, and another green. So this is it. So I'm just going to put it in the fridge like that. Yeah, I think daika too, and then I'll show you the way it looks after. Okay. Then carrots. So carrots nitaziweka kwa nini, the whatever, the organizer hapo chini. I'm yet to get easy paper ziploc bags, at least nizipange hapo vizuri. But yeah, so acha tu niziweke tu hizi kienyeji sai. Guys, I know you're going to ask me mbona siziyoshi. I'm going to do that tomorrow. Sahi, I'm just, as you can see, I have a guest, so I says ishikua hapa. So the main reason actually nazieka ni the main reason actually nazieka ni this is spoil, yeah, so that's why napanga tu kila kitu yenye inaweza spoil na zeka kwa fridge, then I'll sort it out tomorrow. Yeah, so these are minjis. Actually this pack goes to for 200 nyanyas, but sasa nimeangalia ziko tu 3. Sababu nilikuwa nimejisemesha hapo kai. Sababu nilikuwa nimesema hapo kuna nyanya mob. What? Anyway. So this is what I'm putting in it. Vitunguu zitakatwa hapo before I'm able to like panga them vizuri. So let me just put this here. And then I think the chilies also. No, let me not put the chilies hapa. I think peas in burger, because I don't have like time to blanch. I'll just throw them in the fridge like that, and then I'll sort everything tomorrow. Yeah. So these are lime. Then I have a few chilies over here, which I'm also going to put. I think if they need cleaning, I'll put them up for a vegetable box. Ndio easier to clean, isn't it? Okay. And then over here I have cucumbers. So that bag is unique like that. Yeah. So now let's move on to this. So this is bread. Got the NAIROBI bread. It's actually really big. Itakaka for at least a few days. I'm hoping. Oh, expiry I can see soon. Itakaka by the way. Then I got a small. I need to blend this. So I'm making green juice. I'm going to make that, but not today. So I also got this for ginger shots and also the green juice. So let me just put it up one. This thing is big. So I'm going to put all these things that naosha baadaye. I'm going to put them there. Oh my god. Yeah. And I got these apples. Okay. I got that 2 small juice, the go fruit ones. Oh my god, no. Guys, my phone went off before I was able to finish off, but anyway, so this is how it looks. So let me separate apart to just allow this to bring the light to the fridge. For some reason, I don't know why. I don't know if it's it's just a thing. Yenye sipendi kuweka anything chini ya taa because I feel like it blocks the light, but wakati fridge imeja, of course I'll have to use the space. Then here we have go fruit. Nimezi tandika tu hivyo. They're not actually many. Yeah, so that's how we have it. Then we have the bell peppers. Over here I bought milk from the supermarket ile ATM. I believe it's cheaper because this was 74 shillings for a liter. And unaona, this is a lot of milk. Then of course I had to get the apple juice. Then over here is where we put the leftovers, whatever's. Yeah. Then tukona nini hiyo? Chakula ya pichu. Then over here we have these ones. They need cleaning. So this one I'm going to sort them tomorrow. That's why nimezeka tu hapo separately. Then hizi ni zile mboga, the ones that I need to blanch them. Ndio nini. I'll do that tomorrow morning. And then over here, just more things. Eggs, sausage, more sauces and juices. Yeah, and that's just it, guys. So for the freezer, it's still intact. Bado tu niko na nyama ya kutosha, so I've not bought that. Actually, the main reason nimenipeleka nje, it's this. Ni hizi mboga hizi. The apples, the carrots, the nini. That was nimenipeleka nje na hizi. Yeah. So yeah, I'm sorted now. Yeah.
If it's a question of my heart, you got it. It don't belong to anyone but you. Yeah.